Hello to all traders on the Win Option Crypto channel. Today we will talk about a universal platform for graphical analysis, which has united more than 50 million traders and investors around the world. In this review, we will tell you how to add indicators to TradingView, what is needed for this, and what sequence of actions will lead to the desired result. For a more detailed acquaintance with the functionality of this program, we recommend reading the article on our website, How to Use the TradingView Platform. You will find a link to it in the description of this video. Before you start working, we recommend making sure that you have a registered account. It can be free, but in this case, remember the limit on the number of available indicators for use. At the moment, all free accounts are limited to 2 indicators on one chart. If this is not enough for you, you will have to purchase one of the available tariff plans. Before you start working, log into your account. Then, on the main page of the platform, in the Products menu, select Super Charts. After that, a chart with a randomly selected instrument will appear in front of us. To select a specific currency pair, click the magnifying glass icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A menu for selecting tools will appear. In the search bar, enter the code of the desired currency pair or cryptocurrency. In our case, this is the Euro to Australian dollar cross rate. Having completed all the above procedures, we will get a candlestick chart of the Euro to the Australian dollar. This completes the preparatory part, and you can proceed to importing the custom TradingView indicator. Open the Pine script editor, designed for writing the code of indicators and strategies. To do this, click the Pine Editor button on the bottom panel of the platform. An editor window will appear. In the upper right menu, open Select New Indicator. After that, a template indicator script will be loaded into the open window, which must be deleted. To do this, select the entire text of the Ctrl-A key combination or use the mouse and press Delete. That's it. The template code is gone. Now you can proceed to importing the custom oscillator. As an example, we will add the Trend Dashboard Trend Indicator. To do this, transfer its code from the source to the cleared Pine window. To save it in the platform database, click Save. A pop-up window will appear on the screen confirming our intentions. Saving the indicator will make it available for display on the chart. You can display a saved indicator on a chart using the first one, the Add to Chart function, and the second one, the Import panel. The fastest way to see a newly saved custom indicator on a chart is to click the Add to Chart button on the top panel of the editor or press the Ctrl-Enter key combination. After that, the new technical analysis tool is ready for work. A more familiar way to select analytical tools is to display them on a chart using the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel, which can be called by clicking the Indicators button in the main window. In the panel itself, go to the My Script section and find the previously saved Trend Dashboard indicator there. Double-clicking on the name will display our indicator on the chart. To delete unnecessary analytical tools, you need to open the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies panel via the Indicators menu in the main window of the online platform. When you hover the cursor over the name of an unnecessary indicator, a button for editing the script source code and its deletion Delete Script appears. When you click Delete Script, the script will be deleted from the user's library. In this review, we figured out how to add an indicator to the TradingView online platform. The rich capabilities of this platform allow users not only to import other people's developments in the field of trading, but also to create their own, as well as actively exchange ideas in chats with colleagues. We suggest that you experiment with various combinations of indicators yourself and choose the one that will best suit your trading style and allow you to gain an advantage in the markets. Be sure to test all indicators on a demo account and do not forget to manage your capital correctly, following the rules of money management and risk management. And of course, choose only proven brokers for trading, which can be found in our rating of binary options brokers. If you liked the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new, interesting, and useful videos from the field of binary options trading. Thank you for your attention. Successful trading!